Alright, this is my comparison of Alvababy and Mama Koala cloth diapers. I own both kinds of these diapers, and I'm not going to tell you if I have a preference to one or the other. I both use them and like them. As you can see, the diaper on the left is Alva, and on the right is Mama Koala. The difference in these is that Alva has an extra hip snap and Mama Koala does not. Another view of the back of the diapers. Now when you look on the inside, the Alvababy has elastic on both sides of the pocket opening. This could make it a little harder to stuff the diaper, but it also means that the insert is less likely to come back out. Mama Koala has a super easy to stuff pocket, but sometimes the insert can work its way out, even though it does have a little flap to try to hold the insert in. And as you can see, just a quick size comparison of the pocket opening. The Alvababy one is here, and it's pretty small. And the Mama Koala one is right here at the bottom right, and that's about the full width of the diaper. Both Mama Koala and Alvababy come with inserts. Alvababy comes with 2 microfiber inserts, and Mama Koala comes with 1 snap adjustable microfiber insert. Both Alva and Mama Koala are available on Amazon. Alva ranges in price depending on if they're solids or prints and what set of prints, and Mama Koala is $39.99 for every print. Alva comes in prints and solids, whereas Mama Koala is prints only. And there are both Facebook groups for Alva and Mama Koala for fans to follow, and then also to buy, sell, and trade and get those hard to find prints. That's all for my comparison today. If you have any other questions, just let me know. Thank you.